Hey, Matt here with Mob Street, and tonight I'm in the garage working on a 1995 Yamaha Virago 750. So as you can see, the forks on this are missing, and that's what I'm working on. I had a friend ask me if I could rebuild the forks for him because they were leaking, and while I was doing that I thought, hey, might as well do a review on one of the tools that I use quite frequently on different forks. So the tool that I use the most is this Tusk adjustable fork seal driver. So it comes in this little red carrying case, and it has these little plastic shoulders that are on a collar, and then the slide hammer. So a little carrying case, just a little 3-piece that comes inside of it, makes working on these forks quite nice. So the collar just has 3 little plastic shoulders on it, and right here there are 3 screws that are a Phillips head that allow these little shoulders to move along this collar. So it's adjustable from 26 millimeters to 45 millimeters. And the next part that comes with it is the slide hammer, which is weighted. It has a little bit of heft to it, which is going to fit over your fork tube and slide down onto this collar, which in turn pushes the fork seal down into the fork tube. I bought this tool off of Rocky Mountain ATV's website. It is part number 120645 if you want to take a gander at it. And right now it's priced at $38.99, so just shy of 40 bucks. With it being adjustable, like I said, from 26 to 45 millimeters, this little Virago here has a 38 millimeter fork, so this will work well. My TW200 that I ride frequently has 33 millimeter forks, so again, that'll work. And my other personal bike, my 1996 Harley Davidson Fat Boy, has 41 millimeter forks, so again, it fits a wide range of bikes. I've got this fork reassembled to the point where it's ready to drive the fork seal down into the fork tube, and I just wanted to show you, how easy this is to work on these forks. So set our slide hammer down right here, grab our fork leg, take our collar, slide it down over the fork leg, and we're going to push that seal down into the fork tube as far as we can, just by hand. And the great thing about this little collar is with the 3 different shoulders on there, it's going to be applying even pressure to that fork seal, which is one thing you want to do when you're driving that fork seal back down into the fork tube. You want to make sure that it's going evenly, not sitting cockeyed or anything like that. So set that back over the fork leg, grab our fork seal driver here, and you want to make sure that those shoulders are inside the top of the fork tube so that you're hitting the seal. You don't want to be having those shoulders hit the top of that fork tube, because it won't do you any good. So take a slide hammer, put it over the top. I like to just give it a little bit of a tap just to make sure that those shoulders are in there, and then pull your hand away. That solid thunk. That is when you know that your fork seal is completely driven down into place. So if it's not, it'll just be a soft thud, but when you get it in there, solid thud, and you're done. So again, the Tusk fork seal, adjustable fork seal driver. It's quite handy when you're wrenching in your garage, whether it be for your own bike or if you're doing a few things on the side, or if you've got your own little motorcycle business. This is a pretty handy tool to have. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put those below. I do my best to get back to those in a timely fashion. And also make sure to hit subscribe. And if you have friends that are into the motorcycle community, feel free to share this video. Maybe somebody who's working on forks or something that this tool might be handy for. So anyways, again, I'm Matt. This is Mob Street. Thanks for watching.